Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing lock petals on shoulder length hair, and this is the before look. I went in and I did a color touch up on her hair, and I do have a video on how to do color on locks and lock maintenance, so check that video out when you get a chance. So what I started to do was flat twist up the back of her hair, and all I did was take some of her locks and wrap it around going upward, and I did a total of 5 twists all around her hair. Be sure to leave out a small section in the front because that's where we're going to do the lock petals. And this is how one flat twist looks. And here's how all of them look, along with a front section being left out for the lock petals. So what I did here was I took her locks and I bent it upward. And you can secure it with a rubber band at the top. So I didn't record a long process of this because all you have to do is take each individual lock and repeat the same process until your lock petals are complete. And then you would just pin it into your desired position, and you should come out with something looking a little like this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Just having a little fun here. I love it. Y'all have a blessed day.